Dears, it's an honor to be here today to share with you my experience as a civil engineer and a graduate of RHU. I am Ibrahim Saab. I run a family business that is specialized in all construction materials, including but not limited concrete and cement. Our company was able to survive the economic crisis in Lebanon while at least 10 other companies in the same field shut down. This is because of the high quality products we deliver. I attribute much of my success to the knowledge I gained from the civil engineering program at RHU. The program helped me to enhance our family business, and the elective courses I took were also beneficial. The business courses I took helped me manage our work more efficiently. The faculty members and civil department professors were also close to the students. They provided us with the guidance and mentorship, which help us excel academically and professionally. I am proud to be a graduate of RHU and grateful for the opportunities that it's provided me. I hope that my experience inspires you to pursue your passions and achieve your goals. Join RHU for a stronger connection to opportunity.